Alright guys, this is a message from future me. This is a regularly scheduled diesel video, so if you guys want to see more super content, hit the first link in the description, which will be our other channel with all the gas stuff. We're going to keep them, very separated. This is all going to be diesels. We're still going to continue to do all of our diesel stuff on here, Powerstrokes, Cummins, Duramax. All that's taking place on Modern Diesel Corey. Everything else will be on the second channel, link in description. Alright, back to the video. Whoa, what the heck is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Whoa, is it dark? Okay, there we go. Now we can see. Anyways, what the heck is up? I'm glad you're here today. It has been a minute. I understand that it's been like a lot of days since I posted, but we've been doing a whole heck of a lot. There's a lot of stuff going on business-wise that I cannot wait to tell you guys. Oh my God. All right, no, it's very serious. And also the website has been slammed. You guys are absolutely crushing it. If you guys need any Powerstroke performance parts, head on over to shopmoderndiesel.com. You can make your Powerstroke run 600 wheel horsepower, and they run absolutely amazing. These trucks are killer. It's unbelievable. All right, enough of that. We have so much to do today. We have to, step one, we have to make the Powerstroke great again. We have the stock wheels on it. We gotta resolve that issue. Step two, we have a top secret business meeting right around 12 o'clock. So hopefully we can get the wheels on before 12. And then we have to sell the trailer. Trailer's going today. I posted that video right here saying goodbye to the trailer. See you later, hot shot. So yeah, sell the trailer, and then we have to meet a customer and give him his, someone's burning some oil. Bunch of blue smoke coming out of that van. There was a local customer that needed his parts faster than we could ship them, and we weren't going to do the whole overnight thing because it was astronomically expensive, but actually ended up being super cheap for me to get them overnighted to my office. So anyways, I got the parts overnighted to the office, and we're going to meet up with the customer so he can have his parts before the weekend. Also, we're going to cover what all do you have to do to level your Ford F250, because I get a bunch of DMs on what I did to level my truck. So we'll overview that, and yeah, let's just go. Let's go. Look what we got, guys. No more freezing. I take that back. It's still freezing out here. How loud is that thing? Is it super loud? All right, what the heck? We're at the garage, or we're at the house. I don't know what I'm saying right there because I'm freezing. So anyways, we're in the process of making Powerstrokes great again, or this Powerstroke great again, because we're putting the sick wheels and tires back on because we had the factory ones on because of the alignment, but you guys already knew that. So anyways, I see a lot of you guys asking me, what the heck do you have to do to level your truck? What do you have to do to level your Ford F250? Now there's a whole bunch of configurations you can go. You can go just a coil spacer, which is a little spacer that sits on top of your existing factory coil, or you can do a full coil. There's some kits that come with parts like a sway bar drop bracket, track bar drop bracket, and there's some parts that don't. Basically, if you don't get any of those parts, you're cheap. I hate to say that, but it's true. You need, you want to keep all of the geometry of the front end, as in the steering components, as close to the factory spec as possible, so you don't have any irregular wear, you don't have any weird shimmies, you don't have tire shake. You don't want to be wrecking your front end, basically. So what we did was we did a ready lift, full coil lift, which is no coil spacer. It's right here. This is a complete coil leveling kit. So we usually, if you did a spacer will go up here and you will retain your factory coil. This is a full coil leveling kit. This leveling kit in particular included shock extensions. Here, let me see that. Shock extensions are right here because I didn't want to run their shocks that they included with their kit, because I want to do something cool with shocks as soon as this horrid weather breaks. And it also came with sway bar drop brackets. So this block right here is your sway bar drop bracket. Normally this connects to the frame, obviously, and it dropped your sway bar down in order to account for the amount of lift that you went up. Also, this kit came with a track bar drop bracket. That's this big bracket here that gets attached to the frame with these bolts here. There's one on this side, and then there's 3 around the back. So you got to take this big nut off. This is your track bar. This bar basically centers your truck over your axle. And when you lift the truck, it actually will offset your truck over your axle. So if you lift the truck, I don't know which way it'll go. I think it'll one way or the other, the body will be off-centered over the axle. So you can solve this with one or two ways. One way being a track bar drop bracket via this kit included, or you could do a adjustable track bar, which you could lengthen the track bar in order to get it to the right position to go over the axle. But this kit here was a very, very inclusive kit. It came with all those parts in order to get a proper level on the truck, which is what we had to do to clear the 14Ys with the 24s and the 35s and the mud tires, you know, looking good. Ruined it with the big tires, as some of you say. But yeah, we have some anti-seize on the hub because we don't want the aluminum sticking to this rotor, but we got to do brakes, so these are gonna have to come back off. Basically, this is what we're dealing with in the awesome weather. Any of you guys local to the Pittsburgh area and you have a shop, shoot us a DM. We're coming down. We're done working in the elements. I've seen some of you guys comment about the KTM 150. No, it is not getting enough seat time, but we'll touch on this here in a little. But all right, we're done rambling. We're gonna get these on so we can officially, hopefully be done with this for a good while, but we'll probably get pulled over shortly. So I don't know, let's go. All right, Brett's already in the truck. We got the wheels on. Powerstroke has been made great again. So now hopefully we don't get pulled over because, hey, my fender flares are getting painted. All right, guys, we made it to our secret business appointment and we're at the car wash, right? We're doing great things. Energy drink of choice today. We got Rain, Razzleberry. We got Rain. Melon Mania, and then we got a 3D blue. They don't have it. The blue. Just the blue 3D. Shout out Guzman. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna go in here. They were like real serious about no filming. Why can't we film in there, bro? What do you got going on? Why can't we? They're about to drop something big. So yeah, it's at the car wash. It doesn't have anything to do with this physical car wash, but it has something to do with car washing. So stay tuned. This is kind of what we've been working on the past week. That's why we haven't posted. So no joke, very serious. Let's go. All right, guys, business meeting. It's dark in here again. Hold on, the thing has to adjust. Business meeting went super, super epic. Stay tuned for that. We're gonna do a whole big release thing on what exactly we have going on, but I'm very excited. As you can tell, I'm juiced. But anyways, we're at the notary now. The trailer is being sold, which is kind of sad, but turn the page, keep turning the pages. My buddy's actually buying it from high school. My buddy from high school has a tree company. He needs a new deck over trailer, so boom, it worked out. But yeah, we're waiting for him, and he's another Powerstroke guy. He got a 17 F350 single rear wheel. I don't know where he is. He's following us with the trailer, and this lot here is like super tight. I don't know where he's gonna park. But yeah, we're about to go in here and transfer the title. Pennsylvania Department of Transportation. Hopefully you can't see my address on there because you guys will be coming to my house. Oh, there he is over there. Look, check it out. You see him? See him up there? This thing doesn't zoom in that far. Black F350. He got the Lamar. So that's it. We're turning the page. We're gonna go in here and do the title, and we'll be back. See him? It says Morimoto, like the 4 deal things. That's a sick truck. All right, so we're gonna give this dude his parts. This is awesome, super cool. All right, huge shout out to the guys. We got him his parts. He's pumped. He's rocking the Morimoto quad beam light, whatever you call it. I don't even know how to say it. But yeah, guys, I just want to take a second and like those customers were awesome. I didn't want to jam a camera in their face. He probably would have been cool with it. They're super cool. But you know, everyone who orders from our site, Shop Modern Diesel, MDM Performance, which is Modern Diesel Motorsports. So MDM Performance, you guys are absolutely killer. I apologize if there's some long ship times or if there's some long times in between getting back to you guys on email. We're just very, very busy, and it's overwhelming. It's a good problem to have. We're really trying to make all of our times super, super quick, but it's nationwide, and you guys can hammer us with sales in, like, you know, overnight where you get like, you know, like a boatload of sales. So, you know, we're doing our best, and I thank you guys for the business. But anyways, I'm starting to ramble now. It is 5 o'clock, 35 degrees. We got the wheels permanently back on the truck, so we made the Powerstroke great again. We went over the leveling kit. If you guys have any questions on the leveling kit, you can shoot me an email, you can post a comment. I'll do my best to get to them all. But yeah, this is back to the regularly scheduled diesel content. If you guys want to see some Supra stuff go down, we're gonna get fast and reckless. First link in the description will be our second channel. Go show some support over there. Hit the subscribe button if you aren't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was sick. But that's it. More Powerstroke content coming your way. I'll catch you guys on the next one.